In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website live. We'll walk through this inside WordPress, starting in the site editor on your home template. Once you're in the editor, click into the main area of your home page to select it. If a block toolbar appears above your selection, that's perfect. Use it to zero in on the exact part you want to tweak, typically your site title or the main header area, by clicking until the block you need is highlighted. With the title or header selected, open the alignment options in the toolbar and set the text to align center. This instantly gives your header a cleaner, more balanced look. Next, open the layout or width controls. These usually appear in the toolbar or right-hand settings panel, and switch the container to wide width. This widens the content area for a more modern, spacious layout. If you see additional container or group layers around that header, click them as they highlight. So you're adjusting the outer wrapper, not just the inner text. Now, if the section you're editing is part of a reusable design, WordPress will show an Edit Pattern option. Click Edit Pattern to safely adjust that shared section. Inside the pattern, select the relevant group again and set it to wide width so the change is consistent across the site. When you're done, click Exit Pattern to return to your page layout. If you entered nested patterns, you may need to exit twice to get back to the home template. Continue by clicking into the next section you want to refine. This could be another group, navigation area, or a featured block. Use the same quick checks. Make sure alignment and width look right, clicking highlighted wrappers until you reach the correct container. Taking a moment here prevents lopsided layouts after launch. When your layout looks good, open the main editor menu if needed, then click Save. If WordPress shows a summary of changes, confirm to save them all. With your design locked in, click Launch. This opens the launch flow to make your site publicly accessible. You'll be prompted to choose a plan. Click to proceed, and if asked again, confirm, choose a plan. Next, select the plan tier that fits your needs, personal, premium, or business. Each offers different features and resource limits, so pick what matches your goals today, knowing you can upgrade later. Choose your billing cadence. Pay yearly, pay every 2 years, pay every 3 years, or pay monthly. You may see a promotional message like a percentage off for longer terms. Use that if it suits your budget. If you want to double-check features before committing, click. Compare plans to review the differences side by side. That's it. Save,